What are we doing today, man? That truck doesn't run. I tried pushing it up the curb. Can't make it. I need this right there. You want to push? Come on, bud, let's push. Push. I can't get it. Can you get it? Shall we use the truck?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Shall we use my truck?
Yeah.
That one? We'll push it. That's a good idea. Yep, this is the one, huh? That funny? We're gonna put this tire on the front of my work truck. Oh man, come on. Trying to figure out how this would work. That should work, huh? Oh yeah. Oh, I can't get up that curb. That's my problem. Got her this far. I just don't want to push it into the gate. Honestly, I could probably just push it from here. I'm gonna give that a try. Gosh dang, that was heavy. All right, I'm just going to have to be careful. Here we go. You like that? Is that good? Now we gotta chalk these wheels so it don't roll back. Oh wait, I can just put it in park. It's like I've been a redneck before. Where do I get this tire? Right here. That's where that belongs. For moments like this. It's kind of messy back here. I need to get it cleaned out, huh? Thank you. All right. Okay, all done. Let's get Mom's Mormon assault vehicle back in the driveway. Gosh dang, that's a dirty car. Gotta get that clean. It's a nice van.